In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a drop-down list in Google Sheets. If you've been working in Google Sheets and stumbled upon a drop-down list that you no longer need, it can feel a bit frustrating trying to figure out how to get rid of it. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the process in just a few simple steps. First things first, make sure to open your Google Sheets document. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll need to do that as well in order to access your documents efficiently. Now, once you have your document open, the next step is to locate the cells containing the drop-down list you want to remove. For demonstration purposes, let's say the drop-down list is in cells A1 through A3. Go ahead and highlight these cells by clicking and dragging your mouse over them, or by holding the Shift key if they're not adjacent. Now that you've highlighted the cells, you'll look towards the top menu of your Google Sheets interface. You should see a menu labeled Data right there among other options like File, Edit, and so on. Click on Data to open a drop-down menu with several options related to data management and settings. From this menu, you'll want to select Data Validation. It might be a little way down the list, so if you don't see it immediately, just scroll a bit. Clicking on Data Validation will open up a new dialog box. This dialog box allows you to establish criteria for data input in your selected range, but since we're focused on removing a drop-down list, you'll be looking for the option titled Remove Validation. In some cases, it might be labeled as Remove All, and you'll click on that. When you do, Google Sheets will remove the data validation settings, meaning the drop-down list will disappear, and you'll be left with plain old cells ready for any kind of input you need. And that's it. With these easy steps, you can now remove any drop-down lists you encounter in your Google Sheets documents without breaking a sweat. It's always satisfying to declutter your workspace, and removing unnecessary drop-down lists is a great way to keep your data organized and your sheets clean. If you found this guide helpful, remember to like and subscribe to stay updated on more tips and tricks for Google Sheets and other productivity tools. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.